Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your website in very simple steps. So in this video, I have this simple website here. I have created it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let us view the website and see how it looks like. On my VS Code, on the bottom right corner of my screen, I can click Go Live, and then I can be able to view my simple static website. This is how it looks like. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step how you can make this website be seen by your friends. For now, if you come here and copy this address, you share it with your friends, they will not be able to see the website because it is running locally in my computer. So I can only be able to view it in my computer. So in this video, you will be able to know how you can put it on the server or maybe make it live so that when you share that link with your friends or anyone, they can be able to view your project and they will see what you are doing. So guys, first of all, on your VS Code, make sure you have the files, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. And then the next step, you'll need to go to any browser of your choice. For my case, I'm going to use Chrome. You can use Safari, Firefox, or any other. For my case, I'm going to use Chrome. After going to your browser, go and type GitHub. So when you type GitHub, if you don't have an account, you will see something like this. GitHub simply enables you to host your static website, or maybe if you have a project that you want to develop as a group or maybe as a community, you can contribute together there. But for this case, I want to show you how you can put your website there, your static website there, and be able to share a live link that they can be able to see your project. So if you don't have an account, you can click sign up. But because I already have an account, I'll just need to click sign in. After I click sign in, I'll be required to input my username or email address and the password so I can continue. And then I'll be able to see this. On the top right corner of your screen, you can see we have this icon here. Just click that icon and then you'll be able to see your profile, repository, stars, gist, and all that. Just click repositories. After you click repositories, you will be redirected to a page like this. If you are new to GitHub, you may not be able to see all this. So what you will need to do, you will need to click this new button on the top right corner of your screen. When you click new, you will see where you are requested to input your repository name. So for my case, this is the files of my website. The website is called Shop Easy. These are the files. The files are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I can go back and name my repository as Shop Easy. When I name my repository as Shop Easy, it is saying that the repository is already there. So I can just use a different name. Let me use that one, Shop Easy. You can see it is saying Shop Easy is available. So you can come here and see the description. If you don't want to put the description, you can just leave it the way it is. For the configuration, make sure you leave your visibility as public, and then for the readme, just leave it the way it is. So after you configure all that, just come here and click create repository. You will be able to see something like this. You will be redirected to a page like this where you can see a quick setup. If you have done this kind of thing before, you will see get started by creating a new file or uploading existing files. So for our case, we are going to upload existing files. Remember, we have these files into our computer, and also these are the same files. So we already have the files. We are not going to create each file one by one in our VS Code. We already have the files. So you'll just need to come here and click upload an existing file, and then it will redirect you to somewhere like here. You can see drag files here to add them to your repository. So you can click choose your files, and then it will redirect you to your computer. Mine, you need to remember the path of your folder that contains your index.html, JavaScript, and CSS. So mine is on desktop on the folder name called Shop Easy. So now I can come here and select all the files. Remember, on GitHub, you can't upload a folder in whole. You just upload the files one by one. You don't upload folders, you upload files. So now you can come here and click open. You will see them uploading, and you just need to give them some time. After they have uploaded, you can leave the commit changes, or maybe the description, you can just leave it as blank. Just click commit changes, and then it will load and you will be redirected somewhere like here. You'll be able to see that your files have been uploaded in your repository on your GitHub account. After uploading your files on GitHub, you can see here we have issues, pull requests, action, projects, wiki, security, insights, and settings. So what you will need to click, just come and click settings. After clicking settings, you'll be able to see the repository name that we had created earlier. And then on the side, on the left side of your screen, on the left panel, you can see we have code and automation. So on the far bottom, you can see we have pages. Just make sure you click pages. When you click pages, you'll be redirected to a page like this, where you can see we have source, deploy as branch, and then the branch will need to do some configuration here. If it is none, make sure you change it to master or main. But for many cases it is main. Just make it is not on none, it is on main, and then just click save. And then you just need to give it some time, and you will be redirected to somewhere like here. So here is where you get a link, a temporary link from GitHub. But now if you have a domain name, an example of a domain name is www.google.com. Maybe you have a hardware and you have bought your own domain name, you can come here and do some configuration of your domain. If you don't want to use a temporary link that GitHub will give us, you can come here and configure your domain name that you have bought from your domain name registrar. So after doing that, we need to get some link from GitHub. So now you can come here and refresh your page. After you refresh your page again, you'll be able to see that GitHub will give you a temporary link that you can use to share with your friends. For our case, you can see it is saying that your site is live at https://whencreatives.github.io/shopeasy. So it was last deployed by When Creatives 3 minutes ago. So now this is the temporary link that can be accessed by anyone, and they will be able to view your website. So for now, I can come here and click visit site. So when I visit site, I'll be able to see this website here, the website that we had locally. Remember here we had a port number which you can't share with your friends because they can't be able to access your website because it is just running in your computer. But this one, this is from GitHub. You can be able to use it or share it with them, and they can be able to view your website anywhere in the world. So guys, stay tuned. You can check this video here. I have shown how you can do some configuration of your domain name on GitHub. But guys, that's how you publish your website, and it is free, and people can be able to view your website anywhere in the world. So guys, thank you and see you in the next videos. Peace.